All right, and back to it. Okay, so what was the next thing? Roadmap. All right, search for a video. Also trending. We'll have to define trending, and then least popular. Probably fair enough. I think we can get through these. Let's do trending. Because that seems to be more interesting, probably, especially if we, let's actually see how do we define, we define a trending video on YouTube. We may reuse the same sort of logic for other platforms later. Yeah, view velocity, but it's probably within 24 hours, I would imagine. Makes sense. Do looking for period. And actually, we should probably break this out into its own file, most likely, because we're starting to get into some complex logic. We already have these. And actually, I think we already have some of this going on. Yeah, I don't need the code example, but okay. Definitely one interesting part is, I mean, people come in, see the streams, also see some of the YouTube videos. And actually, we can take a look here, in fact. Whoa, why are we, come on, beef. Ah, that's right. This makes sense. And now it should work. There we go. Probably need a nice little loading icon. So, okay, so 132 subscribers, not, here or there, whatever, but so we had 56 views. Obviously, the sexier title, okay, and this was also a week ago, but okay, either way. Oh, 0 views 4 hours ago. Yeah, what do you do? But what I do find interesting is that, and actually, okay, this has to be cached because otherwise, yeah, that's fine. Doesn't really matter. Well, the other channels are working, so but it's fine. Okay, but 56 views. There's no way to tell who came. Yeah, it's also a problem for people. Okay, so we're going to take all of this that we just created, copy, and filter. Already have much of this in place. Consider, should we break this logic out into its own file? If not, explain why / why not. And let's just not lead it as much. Explain why or why not. Here's the general idea. We'll go step by step. Ask any clarifying questions needed. I feel like I should just do this by voice half the time. It might actually be faster. Okay. Did I not? Yeah. I'm not sure that I have a trending line 114. Oh, I did. Calculate trending ranking. Certain channel length, all invalid channels. No, but this is for first is for category rankings, not video. Two, we're already. Well, actually, are we not storing historical view counts per video? Oh, we're actually not. Which makes it actually hard. Oh. I have no idea how to say your name. Mirage44. What's the project? Project is this guy, Fuse. Basically, looking to help creators. And we're building tools to do that. So the first one is actually for YouTube. And right now, we just split from video performance into long and shorts. Some of this data is actually cached, so that's why it says 0 here. But if we go into a different channel, actually work. And then now we're updating some of the categories. So now we're actually looking for trending videos. And after that, we have a little bit of a project roadmap. So we're going to do trending over 24 hours, what was least popular, and then a search for a video. So those are the 3 things we're trying to accomplish today, maybe a little bit of tomorrow. And then there's a whole other bit of stuff that we want to do. Sorry if you guys can hear the dogs. but yeah, so that's the idea. Like create, basically be the place for creators to help expand. In particular, we want to help B2B creators as a start, but the initial project was actually wider, so that's why we started with YouTube, which, of course, in retrospect, isn't the way I'm going to go, but I think it has a lot of application for B2B creators. So we're going to stick with it and keep expanding there first, and then we'll move on probably to LinkedIn next. And there's some other things like we can go over this, but LinkedIn analytics, other stuff that we can do. We have some platform expansion after kind of adding in more creator tools. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I mean hopefully that's the idea, right? Like a lot of projects are great but lack distribution, so I just want to be super transparent with what I'm doing and hopefully also get some attention, as well as of course advertising and things like that later on, but we're not quite there yet. Still trying to build out some of the basic functionality, but once that happens, then I think the next piece is going to actually be like creator, like partnership hub and like creator matching, so to allow collabs more easily. And then, like, once all those things are kind of done, we'll probably reuse some of the same logic and match businesses with creators. And I think when I initially started this, I didn't find too many B2B marketplaces out there for creators, but there are some for sure. It just means, though, for me that there's demand for one, there's demand for creator tools, and two, there's demand for the marketplace. So I think if I can bring those under one platform, it makes a whole lot of sense. All right, so let's keep going here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the whatchamacallit. Completely forgot what I was doing. Let me look at my timeline here. All right, we're doing trending for 24 hours. Okay, so we're going through, like, the idea here is we're going to be step by step and using AI to help us do this in large part. So ideally coding very little. Okay, so for trending calculations, okay, but to yes, we need to store historical view counts over the trending period. I think I'm only going to do this for 24 hours right now. For now, just 24 hours. Oh, it's an interesting question. Are you a web developer in Turkey? Nice. Well, at some point, probably need a developer to come in and help with some projects. But this is one that, although I'm not a developer, I do code a little bit. But I think the purpose of this is for me also to show people that you can code something using AI. Now, given the code, and I know some of it is not, let's not say shit, but it's okay at best. So there definitely will be some refactoring at some point. Okay, so for now, just 24 hours. Yep. No, let's keep. Actually, yes, we're writing shorts and long videos using our same interface, just adding a filter. we're using a video cache type, and then is okay, but needs to be within the 4-hour trending range. Add a filter. Storage. What are we doing right now? I think we're doing 90 days. Yeah. So lifetime 7 days, 90. Problem is, I think we're going to get a lot of data doing this. But that said, like, it's probably not too intensive. I mean, it's just a view count. We need to keep the data at least 90 days. We'll decide later if we want to keep it longer. Volume of data. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. Are you working on any cool projects right now, Miraj? All right. Video details tracked in for historical data. So trending. Okay. Metrics calculators trending TS. Yep. Let's go. So for now, this is fine. Let's actually evaluate it though. Velocity acceleration number score, fine. Video details, good. Calculate trending score. 24 hours, filter snapshots, okay. So it looks okay to me. Academic data system for a university. Interesting. Arts by Natalie, what's up? I actually worked for a startup that dealt with a lot of universities. So it's it's interesting how outdated some of that stuff is actually. It was like a whole tech team. You grinding. Yeah, actually just working away and streaming a little bit. We're making Fuse, basically tools for creators, and helps evaluate YouTube stuff. So right now we're just coding some new filters so we can actually sort videos by more than just most recent views and a couple other things here. We're actually doing some trending videos. Oops, what is going on here? What did I accidentally do? No, nothing. Here we go. We're good. So we created our trending, how we're going to actually calculate if a video is trending. So we're calculating velocity, right? So we're over 24 hours. No, this actually is not my first stream, but it's pretty close to it. Your company is working with universities and some startup projects. Yeah, that's cool. I mean, yeah, if universities, there's some great people there. They're often like hampered by a lot of bureaucratic red tape. But if you can get past that, it's you're my first follower on Twitch. That's awesome. Actually, I didn't realize that. That's sweet. I'll take it. Thank you. Thank you for being the first. Um, okay, so what are we doing here? Yeah. Okay, so we're looking filter within 24 hours. We're going to calculate velocity. So time. So we're going to get the snapshot. We're going to say views equal. Okay, views minus, yeah, 1 minus 2. That's perfect. So we're going to divide the views by views gained over time. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Acceleration, yeah, makes sense. And then calculate engagement rate. You love to watch coding streams. Well, this is kind of one. This is, I'm not a great coder, but I'm not terrible either. But with the help of AI, actually, you can do quite a bit. Like, in fact, pretty much all of this so far is coded the same way you see me doing it now. So it's quote unquote coded. It's you can't send a link. Interesting. I don't know why you can't send the link. But yeah. All right, let's see what it is. Epiderm. Okay, turkey, epiderm. Okay, 4.4 stars, not bad, but only 13 ratings. Oh, this guy's bringing you down. Designed for your iPhone. So imagine skincare routine of some sort. It's actually not what I expected when you said you were working with the university. But I get it now. Let's see, where do I have... well, I could translate it, but can we translate this? I think I get the gist. In beta. Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, it's interesting in theory. I think there's a lot of people that, if this could actually help them or help diagnose, plus you have a built-in audience with probably dermatologists and other skincare providers, probably some recommendations, all that sort of thing could be interesting. Nice. Well, very cool, man. I'm not your target audience, to be completely fair, and I think you guys know that based on the images in the app. but very cool. I wish you luck with it. It seems like a cool idea. If you need well, this is not B2B, but eventually, if you need some B2B influencers, so you know where to come. All right, so let's take a peek. Let's make sure. So if we calculate the velocity, okay, so this is what we're doing. We're calculating the acceleration, engagement rate during trending period. So it's likes plus comments divided by views. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's fair. That's the rate. And okay, now we're going to return all of these and create a score. All right, this makes sense. So now we need to, oops. Where are we here? Come on. Trending Now we need to actually update the video service. Let's see what they're recommending we do. Video snapshot. I don't know. What did we call this? Video snapshot. Okay. Cool. Import video snapshot. Okay. So video type string. Trending details first, last. Okay. That's fine. Okay. View history. Good. Okay. This should be okay. Now. Engagement trending, save, and I think that should have taken care of some of our issues. Okay, thanks for sticking that out. Some nuts dogs and just some talk about bank stuff. All right, so let's back to this here. Yeah, yeah, the dogs are great. Yeah, we just adopted one. She was a foster and ended up keeping her. So somehow we have 3. All right, so we need to call video update history when we fetch new videos, transform video method and video service. Yeah. Channel ID parameter. Okay. Because here we're asking for video details. Okay. So we'll save that. And then let's try to get the other error. Video snapshot, but it's not exported. Oh, well, that actually should be easy enough, but okay. Oops. Yeah, so now we just need to export, which actually should have trending score. So really, ideally, we just need to put the word export in front of it. Yeah, that's kind of what I assumed. And now we have one more issue in Video TS. Huh. Not assignable. Okay. Oh. Possibly. Oh, interesting. Okay, I would not have understood that. Luckily, except that still didn't take care of our issue. This is where having a little bit more familiarity with MongoDB and actually developing things would actually come in handy. But we can work through this. Let's modify and update the operation. This cast tells MongoDB the snapshot of valid document type online idea. Okay. Still on video. Each snapshot is a known document. Okay, well, we did fix the error. However, I'm not sure if like it's saying is ideal. So if I really cared, I would probably go into ChatGPT now and try to figure this out. But I think now let's save this and let's reload. Now, there. Okay. Now I think we need to add the filter. Most steps. How do we I think we already calculated. Well, okay, we'll take it step by step. Video sort by. Video TS, where is trending? Engagement trending equals trending. We already did this? I do not remember doing that. Interesting. Okay. Trending video details. Okay. Oops. What else did we add? Oh, wait. Return be trending. Okay, that's fine. And we need to calculate trending scores. Video TS, but the trending score. Okay, cool, perfect. That's exactly what we needed to do, but let's do a couple things here. Trending video details should be exported, is it not? from Video TS. Why are we... No, this doesn't make sense. This is the one part that we have to be careful about. It often suggests things that just don't make sense. So we know that we just created trending. Shouldn't we export this from trending? Ay. Exactly. So now we'll accept that. Cool. And now we have issues with Video TS. Calculators trending. Is that what we did? Where's my trending? Calculators trending TS. Yeah, so that is correct. So we're importing the correct thing. And now most of this makes sense. So I'm going to accept that. And then we'll fix these errors one by one. Come here, all of you. Come here. Sits. Good girl. Good girl. Good boy, buddy. All right. Quiet down, okay? Alright, so we can hear them a little bit when they bark, but okay, it's not terrible. So we've got 3 pets. We've got Brady, Agnes, and a new one whose name is up in the air. You're not getting anything else, dude. You're not. Hey. Shh, shh, quiet. Yes, good quiet. Here you go, buddy. Alright, now back to this. Alright, let's actually not assign all trending details. Trending score null ID. Okay. Convert null to undefined. Or undefined. Huh. Okay. I'm not sure that actually makes sense, but okay. Fix in chat. Okay. And apparently, there we go. Now it may actually work. Cool. All right, so now we actually have historical videos, and let's see. Let's reload over here. All right, so for now, what do we have? We have most recent, views, engagement, and we still need to update the filter. Let's just make absolutely sure, because let's just quit this for now. Quit just to make absolutely sure. And now let's run. Okay. All right, let's open this guy back up. Let's make sure we didn't screw anything up completely. And then, assuming we didn't, so I keep using my channel as an example, but if anybody wants to check out a different channel, we definitely can. Okay. Again, like this, some of this is cached, so it's just not going to work as well as it would on another channel. Most recent views. Okay, cool. So we're good there. Okay. Now let's add the filter. All right, so this actually, to the video section, come on, and update is premium sort. Okay, so now disable this premium. Let's accept. I actually kind of think trending videos are a premium feature, and maybe I should unlock some of the other ones. Oops, is that right? No. Wait, is premium sort? Yeah, this is correct in the helper function. This is fine. So we're going to sort by likes, comments, engagement, and now we're going to do trending. All right, so let's reapply it. That's perfectly fine. Okay. Engagement and trending. Cool. So now, actually, we should have a filter in place. There we go, trending. Now let's actually try it. So we're going to remove the premium sort from this. Actually, you know what? Let's... I'm going to remove all the premium sorts from this for right now. Like, I do want... I think it's actually important to have this at some point. But... And actually, people need an indication, frankly, that... you know, there's going to be stuff to pay for, right? Like, we want to set that expectation up front. This isn't just a free app. Like, if you want more, you're going to pay for it, because frankly, it's you know, it costs money to do. And like, how am I supposed to build a really, really great product for everybody if nobody pays for it? And that's kind of the bottom line for it. So I want to set that expectation up front. It's not free forever. It's not like a entirely free tool. If you want to get the best out of it, like, sure, it's going to help you, whether or not you know you pay for it, but you get the most help if you pay. So I'm going to take this off. Let's comment out premium sort for now. We may institute it later. Okay. Let's apply. Yeah, but all right, that's fine. Okay, so it's just a change in video section, and that's probably fine. I think let's probably copy. This is in video section. Should we comment this out for now? Yeah, okay. Oh, really? I can't just... Yeah, all right, let's do that. So much easier than actually doing all that myself. Okay, cool. So let's save everything here, and then we'll test this. If the test goes well, we're going to push this to our dev environment online and go from there. So most recent views, okay. Oh, wow. So funny that how to like get rid of something is the most popular thing on my channel. Trending. I don't see how that's, well, I guess it's infinite. Okay. That's interesting. But we're not really respecting the 24-hour timeline. So we got some tweaking to do on the trending. Likes. Okay, that's easy. Oh, interesting. A short actually got the second most likes. And we should probably display the number of likes. Okay. Comments and overall engagement. So engagement really means likes plus comments. So it's very similar to something trending, but trending we're only doing it over the 24-hour period. So let's just identify this right away. So there are a couple things with trending that we have to fix. Several issues with trending. Oops, and I have about, how long have I been on? Probably half an hour more. First, if there are 0 views, this isn't trending. Instead of first, let's just do 1. Two. We can't show trends if we don't have historical data points over the 24-hour period. Oh, and actually, you know what's annoying is that I'm over here, and in fact, let me change. Nobody told me this, but actually, let's move the camera to the lower left here. I think that makes actually more sense. That way we can see what I'm actually typing. Okay. And I guess you can kind of see it, and I wonder if I can make it a little larger. I'm not sure. Let's see. Keyboard settings, model features, cursor settings. There are actually a lot of settings in here. Composer. Alright, never mind. I'm gonna do it later. Okay, so we can't show things that are trending if we don't have like 2 data points over the same 24-hour period. We're not going to know if they're trending. We need at least 2 data points to calculate trends. Also, I'm going to have to think about how to display this. ProxD, what's up? So, building Fuse. We're building tools for creators, basically. And we're starting with YouTube and helping calculate a lot of this stuff. Eventually, the idea is for B2B creators, actually, to help understand what content they create as well as like their competitors create that really drives value and what performs poorly, right? So eventually helping them create better and more meaningfully. Then after that, there's also some other stuff planned. If you want to check out kind of the roadmap and everything that we have planned, it's getfused.io. And that's currently what we're working on. You can just jump to the roadmap and you'll see actually that we're actually pretty much in the advanced YouTube engagement metrics that I have to update here. But you'll see like all of this stuff is kind of planned. Some are bigger than others. Next thing that I really want to do after increasing the metrics is some of these creator partnerships, like making it easier for creators to collab and grow their audiences together. And maybe it's not even a collab, maybe it's, somebody comes in and teaches a webinar to another audience or something of that sort, but we're going to enable that sort of thing. And later down the line, we're going to be a B2B influencer marketplace. So first priority is to be the best place for especially B2B creators to come and have the tools they need to create. Okay, so we need a couple data points for trends. And obviously these are not, I think it's not a bad thing to show past, we can show past trending videos, but we again can't show the video. So now we're basically saying we're not going to have, thanks ProxD, appreciate it, man. But yeah, so now we can't show the videos if we don't have the data for it. So we're going to actually not be showing many at all, I imagine, at least at first. But that's fine. We'll probably end up having to, for bigger channels and things that get more engagement and post more, we'll go back to them more often. As if we don't have the data to do so. And actually, I think there's like one more issue here with this, but okay, for 0 views, okay, so it does say if there's no, but I mean, it's almost insufficient views, but all right. I mean, I guess in theory for me, a trending video doesn't actually have that many views. Okay, that's fine. For already handles the requirement multiple. Yeah, it does, but they were still showing videos. So let's make sure. Let's update this and see what happens. Okay, trending. I'm wondering if it's because it's already cached. Let's pick another channel entirely. Okay. Looks like
what are my top 5 bottles of bourbons released in 20?
You gotta wait.
What are my top 5 bottles?
Here we go. Okay, he has something a day ago, and when is this? I mean, in theory, though, this should be fine. We should be able to see that there are no trending videos because we don't have the data points. So, okay. Is it this one? Yes. Okay. So 10K subs, basically. We have one short? Really? Only one? That seems wrong. When did he do this one?
Wait a minute. Get it how you live it.
Oh, okay. I mean, it's possible that he, out of 50 videos, he only has one because it's back in August. Let's take a quick peek. I'll have to double check this, but yeah, I mean, there aren't. He does have shorts for sure, but okay, we're only pulling 50, and he actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's possible that he's had more than 50 since August. Because we're already December, August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, it's possible. So, all right, let's assume that that's right. And let's go to trending. How are we doing? Not well. Okay, the views work. Most recent works. Likes. We can double check this, but it should be pretty straightforward. Okay, oh, really? He had more comments on this one than anything. And engagement. Okay, that makes sense. Because we're waiting likes. We should probably weight this a little differently. But okay, for now it's fine. Trending. Okay. Still an issue with our trending display. What are we doing? Trending display. This is a channel that we have only one data point on that I just did. Okay. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Trouble reaching Anthropic. Let's try again. If not, we'll switch over. Okay. It's too bad, unfortunately. I actually prefer, in general, Anthropic for this stuff. Alright, let's try again. Anyway, videos without enough data points are filtered before sorting. Yup. Okay, sorted videos. Okay. So what are we suggesting doing here? It's trending video details. Okay, this actually makes more sense. And now, okay, let's accept that. This should work. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, cool. So this actually works. Let me see. I might actually have enough data on mine that we should be pulling some of this for trending. Unclear, actually. Might have to add in, I think I'm going to leave it for now and we'll try this again. And I think that's fine. Force to filter out videos and have a trending score. Right. I wonder if 24 hours is too minimal here because I'm not checking these. For now, let's update it to 48 hours, I think. Now, let's update the trending period to 48 hours. And actually, I meant to have it look over the whole code base. Okay. $48.60, fine. That's perfect. Okay. Cool. That also means we need to collect data for videos over 48-hour period and yeah. Okay, also some music would be good, but I need to find some just royalty-free easy music. I know there is some music for, I think it's this, video creators. Okay, let's play something. Yeah, it's best of 2024, why not?
for each other like a bullet from a gun. Faster than the sheriff's drawing, hotter than the sun. Didn't see it coming lately, I've been on the run. You know you've seen my face before, so let me tell you something. Darling, you fell in love with the famous man. See my pictures posted everywhere across the land. And if you run with me, you got to understand that you're holding on to a dangerous hand. If I want it, would you still want me? 'Cause babe, I want it. Do you still want me? I got a bag of money, honey, and it don't belong to me. Took it from a man that had it coming, so you know it wasn't free. We'll load this Smith and Wesson up and take our horses east. And if we run into any trouble, we'll leave them in the crimson streets. Darling, you fell in love with the famous man. See my pictures posted everywhere across the land. And if you run with me, you got to understand that you're holding on to a dangerous hand. If I want it, would you still want me? 'Cause babe, I want it. Do you still want me? Would you head for the hills if they found me? Would you turn me in for the bounty? Or vultures are circling around me? Would you die by my side? You fell in love with the famous man. See my pictures posted everywhere across the land. And if you run with me, you got to understand that you're holding on to a dangerous hand. If I want it, you still want me. 'Cause babe, I want it. Still want me, still want me. If I want it, would you still want me? 'Cause babe, I want it.
I'm curious.
Do you still want me?
Okay, let's see.
Well, I was born just west of the river, Mississippi mud running in my veins. And on the road is where I found freedom, and hotel rooms is where I found peace. I spent my whole life running my world. It's gonna be a long way home. And it's gonna take my heart and soul, my heart and soul. We started off before I started school. Mom and Dad said we're headed south, we're gonna move. Well, I hung on for a year or two after, but I forgot that house and trail ridge road. I spent my whole life running from my world. It's gonna be a long way home. It's gonna take church where my family filled the pew. I spent my whole life running from Iowa. It's gonna be a long way home. It's gonna take my heart and soul. It's gonna be a long way home. It's gonna take my heart and soul, my heart and soul.
One versus, yeah, exactly.
No, I'm not to blame, even though I make these mistakes. Oh, it's all your fault. It's simply 'cause I'm mistreated by the state, and I can't be held accountable to all these actions in this suit. It's just part of the game. Give me love to steal. Give me everything tomorrow. Then I'll be a gangster, free to rule my own domain. Not a puppet in this play, choosing life and death each day. 'Cause it's alright, we don't have to play by the rules. It's alright, we can pick and choose our own fights. It's alright, we don't have to make amends, forgive, forgo. Let us find a pathway home. Oh, we're one the same, sharing air on these old plains. Oh, I die for you. Let this heart be fed by the other, by the flame. And I'll be your guide on this victory march, where the losers cheering how. Woo! Oh, the tables have turned, awakened by the storm, shocked and shattered to the core. Ha! Now I'll be your savior, keep you safe when others taunt, give you solace when all is lost, give you light when all is dark. 'Cause it's alright, we don't have to play by the rules. It's alright, we can pick and choose our own fights. It's alright, we don't have to make amends, forgive, forgo. Let us find a path. It's alright, we don't have to play by the rules. It's alright, we can pick and choose our own fights. It's alright, we don't have to make amends, forgive, forgo. Let us find a path, forgive, forgo. Let us find a pathway home. Let us find a pathway home.
And hashtags. I think that's probably all we need. Search should be fuzzy.
Cold coffee, my old boots are by the door. Nobody's calling, but I don't mind it anymore. 'Cause I've had enough of the rat race, the city life, the social grace. Burnt out on confidence, so tired of keeping score. Gonna find somewhere to slow it down, buy a little place way out of town. Gonna take my time, 'cause it's all mine. Trade my pride for a quiet life. Maybe then my time will come around, way out of town. Down in the hills off old Topanga Road, there's a place I go to ease a weary soul. I could hide away above the sea, smoke my stuff, talk to the trees, get myself a dog and build a heart of gold. Gonna find somewhere to slow it down, buy a little place way out of town. Gonna take my time, 'cause it's all mine. Trade my pride for a quiet life. Maybe then my time will come around, way out of town. Gonna find somewhere to slow it down, buy a little place way out of town. Gonna take my time, 'cause it's all mine. Trade my pride for a quiet life. Maybe then my time will come around. Maybe then my time will come around, way out of town.
Alright, so apparently we need to use Fuse. Okay.
Wish I could wear peace, like this shirt on my back, then give it away whenever somebody asks. Every time I try, I catch myself reaching for it from someone else. Why is it so hard to hold on to? Maybe I'm obsessed with a hurried rush. Whenever I slow down, I beat myself up. So much time I worrying what could be or what I might have been, second guessing every move I make. I wanna trust myself, love myself, believe in myself like I used to. I wanna trust myself, be enough for myself. admit so much has changed, that I'll do it all wrong. Part of my heart's grown cold within. Gotta find a way to feel the heat again, but I don't know where to begin. Oh, I wanna trust myself, love myself, believe in myself like I used to. I wanna trust myself, be enough for myself, ring my own bell like I used to. I'm gonna trust myself.
This is actually
Oh, I'm gonna love myself.
personalized search results.
I'm gonna trust myself, love myself, believe in myself like I used to. I'm gonna trust myself, be enough for myself, ring my own bell like I used to.
Okay. All right. Well, that's actually interesting. But I don't know how you would do that. I guess example code, bro.
I'm giving up on settling down, getting out of this small town. Hang a sign, this heart is closed. I'm gonna hit the open road. I'm giving up on settling down. I've been left at the altar, been left at the bar. Gave all I got to love, all I got was a broken heart. But I got my eyes on a new horizon, and I've learned my lesson. I'm giving up on settling down, getting out of this small town. Hang a sign, this heart is closed. I'ma hit the open road. I'm giving up on settling down. I'm married to the mountains, the rivers and the roads. They take me as I am, they make me feel at home. But I got my mindset, my four-wheel drive tech, and ain't looking back anymore. I'm giving up on settling down, getting out of that small town. Hang a sign, this heart is closed. I'ma hit the open road. I'm giving up on settling down. Come on. I'm giving up on settling down, getting out of this small town. Hang a sign, this heart is closed. I'ma hit the open road. I'm giving up on settling down, getting out of this small town. Hang a sign, this heart is closed. I'ma hit the open road. I'm giving up on settling down.
Okay.
There's a kind of peace moving every couple years, packing up and finding a new home. There's a beauty in the anonymity it brings. When my feet get to itching, I just run. All my friends have stopped inviting me to where they are, figuring I'll just be on the road. It's not that they're wrong, it's just that I wish it were different. But hey, the plane is boarding, time to go. Oh, call out all you who wander, seeking beyond wherever you've been. Write your life like it's a screenplay. What will the words say when it all ends? There are mornings I wake up and don't know where I am. Another city I'll be leaving soon. But in between the planes and cars are strangers who became a part of all the homes I'm building on the move. We're all told that life's a game of compromise, and in many ways I suppose it's true. But I just can't quite swallow bitter pills or safer roads now that I have walked the other route.
seeking beyond wherever you've been. Write your life like it's a screenplay. What will the words say when it all ends? When it all ends. When it all ends.
Video search. Fuse.
Baby, why you leaving me? Baby, what you dumping me for? Is it because of him? Is it because of me? Won't you tell me, baby? Don't you leave me alone? Maybe, won't you come on home now? I'll prove I'm right. Till the morning light. When you gonna come back? My heart is just blue black. Hate to be turned down. Same old story with you and me, baby. It's could have been so right. Baby, why you leaving me? Baby, what you dumping me for? Is it because of him? Is it because of me? When you gonna come back? My heart says blue black. Hate to be turned down. Same old story with you and me, baby. It could have been so right. Baby, don't you leave me alone. Maybe, won't you come on home now? 'Cause I'm your guy. And you're my apple pie.
What did we have here? 2 errors. Okay,
Just another honky tonk, another lonely night. One more wrong, trying to make it right. Another sawdust floor, dancers in the disco lights. Another hopeful sunset and a heartbroken sunrise. What am I looking for? Night after night. What do I want to see in every new lover's eyes? Little
who try to stick around, chase you with the memory of them walking out of another honky-tonk, another lonely night, one more wrong, just trying to make it right.
Let's just pick something.
Loitering out on her doorstep again. I thought I might try to win her back, but I'm all out of confidence. I'm a little nervous about coming down, and every new heartbreak hurts a little more. The first one felt like more than I could take, so I hit the ground running so hard, whittled my soul away. Try to keep my hopes up, but they keep falling down, and every new heartbreak hurts a little more than the last time around. I made a lot of half-hearted mistakes, but I worked so hard on this one. I gave her my everything. Was a losing battle, so I'm laying down, and every new heartbreak hurts a little more. Every new heartbreak hurts a little more than the last time around. And I'll let her go, oh Lord, just let it be the last time around, please. And I'll let her go, oh Lord, this might be the last time around, the last time around, the last time around for me. Doorstep again, and it's just so damn cold out here. I can see my failing breath. I'm a little nervous and I'm coming down. Every new heartbreak hurts a little more. Every new heartbreak hurts so much more than the last time around.
Yeah. Alright, I'll figure this out later. Let's look for a different channel.
Well, I was born just west of the river, Mississippi mud running in my veins. And on the road is where I found freedom. And hotel rooms is where I found peace. I spend my whole life running my world. It's gonna be a long way home. And it's gonna take my heart and soul, my heart and soul. We started off before I started school. Mom and Dad said we're headed south, we're gonna move. Well, I hung on for a year or two after, but I forgot that house and Trail Ridge Road. I spent my whole life running from my world. It's gonna be a long way home. And it's gonna take my heart and soul, my heart and soul. I only see you now in memories, or in the night on a long drive through. Someday I'll put off the road somewhere near Easter morning, and I'll find that little church where my family filled the pews. I spend my whole life